heat pump just went into reverse de-icing mode. It's like 18 degrees out. I don't know if you can see on the ice, it's starting, the water's starting to run out of the bottom of it. The other day when it was 8 degrees, there was a cloud around it from the condensation in the air. Now you can see the water running out the bottom. Unbelievable. Pretty amazing. Here comes the smoke, as the grandkids say. We have a unit on our garage too in my wood shop, and it does the same thing. And now it's getting ready to go back into heat mode. It's cleared all the We've been extremely happy with this. It saved us well over $100 a month in the summer. We put it in May. Now the fans are starting back up. First time it did it, I went, holy moly, I wasn't expecting this.